Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to create an Affirm account. So it's going to be a really quick video. Let's get straight into it. So the first thing you're going to do is to go to the Affirm website, and then you're going to click on sign up in the top right corner. Now you're going to enter your email address in the required field, and make sure to use a valid email address that you have easy access to. Next, you're going to create a password that meets Affirm's password requirement. So the password should be at least 8 characters long and include a mix of uppercase and lowercase characters and letters, and it should also include a special character. Next, you're going to provide your personal information, including your name, your address, and of course your date of birth. Next, you're going to want to verify your email address by clicking on the link that's going to be sent by Affirm to that email address. This is the step that is required for you to activate your account. So once you verify, you can set up your account security by creating a PIN and setting up a two-factor authentication. So once you're done with creating a PIN and setting up that two-factor authentication, you're just going to review and agree to Affirm's terms of service and of course their privacy policy. Once that's all taken care of, you can confirm your account creation by clicking on the create account button. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to create an Affirm account. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.